Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to fix Boost Unavailable on Facebook page. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, I'm going to set an example in boosting a page. All you have to do is just to open the Facebook application. Once you've opened, make sure that you're logged in or using the account of the page. Once you've confirmed, all you have to do is head to the profile by tapping on the profile icon right in the middle top of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to your page, and on here, all you have to do is to look for a post. Scroll down. As you can see, there is a post here, and on this post, you will see a boost to post button. And let's say when you tap it, you will get this kind of error. Let me show you. As you can see, it is said that page not allowed to advertise, and you can create ads or promote your page because it's restricted from advertising. So there are two ways in dealing in this kind of error. All you have to do for the first way, you can tap on see details and see what may be the problem, what's hindering your page to be allowed on advertising. And if you're not satisfied, I guarantee you that you will see a report button there. All you have to do is to tap on the report an issue. And for the second way, it is reporting as well, but in this way, you will do it manually. Okay, so all we have to do is to go back again and open Facebook again. And from your page, all you have to do is to tap on the menu on the top right corner of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to the menu. And on here, all you have to do is scroll all the way down and look for the help and support settings. And on here, when you tap it, you will see this set of options. And in this set of options, all you have to do is to tap on report the problem. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this prompt, and all you have to do is to tap on report the problem to carry on with the reporting. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be asked if you'd like to include complete logs and diagnostics in your report. For this video, I would just tap on don't include in report, but if you'd like, you can include it. Let's go ahead and tap. Once you've tapped on it, you will be asked to select a product. And on here, the closest product that we can choose in regarding boosting a post is the status update or the settings. But for this video, I will just try or make an example by choosing settings. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, as you can see, you will see the screen and you will see the default attachments here. You can just tap on X to remove it. As you can see, once you've tapped on it, it will be removed and you can upload the screenshot in which you have received the error. You always have to screenshot. As for Facebook, always ask for proof. Once you've uploaded the picture or the proof, all you have to do is to describe the issue. And once you've described the issue, all you have to do is to tap on send. And in a couple of days, or maybe if you're lucky, in the same day you've sent the report, Facebook will get back to you and try to resolve the error. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.